Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your Energy System Style 4. Firstly, maybe the problem is your earbud just discharged, so I recommend it to put it to the charging case, then close the case and charge it. After, let's say, 10 minutes. Just remove earbud from the case, then go to the application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, tap on them and check is the battery level changed, is you see this earbud. If you not, the next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put both your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. We can check it in the Bluetooth. No connection. After that, open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Then check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, I recommend it to perform a factory reset. Firstly, we need to reconnect these earbuds from the phone. Not reconnect, but just remove them. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then you will see a button forget this device, or forget device, or unpair, or remove, or maybe something else. Tap at this button and click forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to just go back and return to the Bluetooth, like on iOS, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button, tap at this button. Next, remove your earbuds from the case if you have it in the case. And at the back side, at the top, we have touch areas. You need to press 10 times simultaneously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And after that, we can reconnect them with the phone. So these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. You will see them at the device list and just tap on them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.